For example, dalawang competitor. This guy, they have the same offer, the same product, the same course, the same skills in marketing. But this guy is transparent about his personality than this guy. So who's gonna win? Obviously, this guy. So lagi pong may advantage yung nakikita sila ng tao. Hindi po ba ninyo napapansin na marami na ngayon nagiging artista or hindi man artista o naging sikat na personality, but they started with social media. Sino pong biggest? Definitely si Maine Mendoza. Because social media breaks a lot of rules of the game by being visible to people. Pay attention to what I'm saying here, my friend. Pay attention. Right now, you and I have this amazing opportunity to do what we love, all from home, making impact, helping a lot of people because of social media, because of the internet. So you have to embrace the fact that it's now part of our society. I'm not saying maging slave kayo ng social media because of course meron din diyang too much that you waste your time and you're not learning new things and nagiging passive ka instead of active learning. But it is what it is. And right now, kung makita po naman ninyo siguro si Jon Orana, that's what I'm doing right now. Exactly what I'm doing. I don't need to appear on television, though that would be great. I don't need that radio guesting, though that would be great. From the last time I checked, we've reached about 3 million in 1 week. 3 million people in 1 week. 3 million people. Isipin po ninyo yun. Hindi po ako artista. Hindi nyo naman po ako nakikita sa TV. Hindi man po ako sikat na politiko o whatnot. So you wanna do that. At hindi kinakailangan maganda ka o gwapo ka. There will always be people na commenting about you and what you look like. Most of those people may mga insecurity. Nanghahawa lang sila. Yung mga secure people, they do not bash, they do not talk about someone else. Right? Kung makapag-comment pa yung iba, akala mo naman kagwapuhan, kagandahan, right? Kasi may mga insecurity sila lumalabas lang sa Facebook eh. Right? Because, social media is not really bad. It's just that it really magnifies kung anong klaseng pag-uugali meron ka. So parang gano'n lang naman ang social media eh. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.